Let us now learn how to add fractions with the same denominator. The addition of fractions with the same denominator. Take, for example, you're asked to simplify 3/7 plus 2/7. When you look at these two fractions, they have the same denominator but different numerator. This is how we solve it. Solution: 3/7 plus 2/7. Now you draw the division line and then you write down the common denominator at the denominator position here, 7, since they have the same denominator. Now once you have written out the common denominator, then you perform the arithmetic addition of the numerators. 3 plus 2. Now this would give us 3 plus 2 will give us 5/7. Whenever you are done like this, remember that if there is any factor there, you still have to bring such a fraction to its lowest term. But in this case, 5 and 7 do not have any common factor. So this is the lowest term of this fraction. Therefore, our answer is 5/7. Thank you.